Did you know that the music you're hearing right now was not composed by a human, but by an AI? Yes, you heard it right. This is the fascinating world of generative AI, a type of artificial intelligence that's capable of creating new content from scratch. It's like a digital artist, painting a picture or composing a symphony using nothing but algorithms and data. Generative AI is different from other types of AI. While most AI systems are designed to analyze and interpret data, generative AI takes it a step further. It doesn't just understand the data, it uses it to create something new and unique. It's like the difference between a music critic and a composer. The critic can analyze a piece of music, understand its structure, its rhythm, its melody, but the composer, they create the music. That's what generative AI does. So next time you hear a catchy tune, remember, it might just be the creation of a sophisticated artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already making a significant impact on our lives. Let's take a moment to appreciate the many ways AI is currently being applied. In the healthcare sector, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing patient care and research. AI algorithms are used to analyze vast amounts of medical data, helping physicians predict diseases and tailor treatments to individual patients. It's also being used to automate routine tasks, freeing up medical professionals to focus on more complex cases. In the entertainment industry, AI is creating new experiences for audiences. It's used in video games to create more realistic and challenging opponents, in movies for special effects, and in music for composition and sound editing. Even in the world of art, AI is making a mark, with algorithms creating unique paintings and sculptures. The transportation sector has also felt the impact of AI. Self-driving cars, which once seemed like a far-off dream, are now a reality. These vehicles use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. Similarly, in aviation, AI is used for flight simulations, air traffic control, and predictive maintenance of aircraft. Data analysis is another area where AI shines. Companies are using AI algorithms to sift through enormous amounts of data, extracting valuable insights that inform business decisions. This predictive modeling can help companies anticipate market trends, optimize operations, and improve customer experience. AI is even helping to automate our homes and offices. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri use AI to understand our commands, learn our routines, and make our lives a little easier. These assistants can control our lights, play our favorite music, and even order groceries with just a voice command. In education, AI is transforming the way we learn. It's being used to personalize learning, identifying students' strengths and weaknesses, and adapting instruction to meet their needs. AI-powered teaching bots can provide instant feedback, making learning more interactive and engaging. Indeed, AI is no longer a thing of the future, but a significant part of our present. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, we can look forward to a future where artificial intelligence will be even more integrated into our daily lives. But if you think AI has done enough, you might want to think again. The potential of AI is far from being fully realized. Imagine a world where AI is deployed in climate modeling, accurately predicting weather patterns to help us prepare for natural disasters and mitigate the effects of climate change. Picture AI being used in space exploration, mapping uncharted territories, and even identifying planets with potential for life. Consider how AI could revolutionize research, analyzing vast amounts of data in seconds to unearth patterns and solutions that would take humans years to discover. Think about AI in healthcare, diagnosing complex conditions and personalizing treatments to the individual patient's needs. The possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. AI is not just about making our lives easier, but about making our world better. In the future, AI might just be the key to unlocking solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Now, isn't that fascinating? But it doesn't have to stop here. You see, the world of artificial intelligence is vast, filled with untapped potential that is waiting to be explored. In our digital age, understanding AI isn't just a cool skill, it's a necessity. It's like learning a new language, the language of the future. There's a whole universe of resources out there to get you started on this journey. Online platforms like Coursera and edX offer comprehensive AI courses. Websites such as Medium and Towards Data Science publish accessible articles that break down complex AI concepts. And let's not forget about the countless AI-focused podcasts and YouTube channels. With these resources at your fingertips, there's nothing stopping you from diving headfirst into AI. So why wait? Start your AI adventure today. So go ahead, dive into the fascinating world of AI. Who knows? You might just be part of the next big AI breakthrough.